Okay, so I've logged in the new SAM, which is preview.runsam.com. And the first thing you see when you log in is going to be your signs. So you're going to see an interface that looks like this. And this one's the one behind the counter here. What we want to do is turn on the remote control. So we're going to click. This pulls up a whole bunch of settings. Under the general settings here, there's some cool things. I'm going to show you two things. One is screenshots. So every morning we take screenshots. So if you click on View, you can see screenshots just showing proof of play from this morning. That's just if you're working remote and you want to see what's going on, make sure the thing's still running. There you go. And you'll see just above it, it says remote control. Right now it's set on always with the QR code, that weird code thing hidden. Meaning that we could make it so a QR code shows and you can remote control it. Just go click with your phone onto the QR. Most people don't use that. Usually have it hidden. And instead, see here it says open remote. What they usually do is they open the remote control. And in the remote control, there's actually share down at the bottom. So what's your cell phone number? Okay, that's okay. No flip phone? Okay. So what I can do is send it to an email address, just as easy. So I'll put in, I'll pretend I put in your email address there and click on Share Remote. It'll send you the remote control. And then you can remote it right from your computer. Okay. Right? So how does it work? Well, obviously here it's background, media 4, right? Where this is cool is watch the screen up there and go, hey, Nelson Accounting. Oh yeah, those yoga panels. Here is this client, right? So you can, sorry, click it. There I go. Oh, that must be a really big image because look at that third one. It's taking a while even to load. Crescent Oak. Oh, it's a multiple layer PNG file, right? And there's Care Funeral Services, but you get the idea. So when somebody's coming in, you can actually already put up Welcome Bob. Trip them out. Right? So you can have it on the normal revolve, and then when you want to override it, this is how you override it in the remote. Now, hidden within the remote here is actually an area where you can paste in a YouTube URL, click on play, and you can override the regular broadcasting to start playing whatever YouTube and even, YouTube streams, live streams that you want to play. So it's just something fun to play with when you're behind the counter and you want to drive yourself mental. Now, you can see here controls. Whenever you're done playing, just go refresh, and you'll see the screen there. The entire screen will refresh, and now it's back on a loop, and you can close the remote control. Cool? Cool.